Y'all, it is time to make some magic happening. First, we're going to start off with our goat milk soap base. And if you guys want to know what's in this, you can go look back at my other video. I describe every single ingredient in this base. And I'm going to get this cut up. And I have the coolest recipe I want to share with you guys. Sorry, here, let me do it this way so y'all can watch the soap getting cut. This is a pound of goat milk soap. We're going to get this cut down and melted, and then the magic's really going to start. So let me go ahead and finish cutting this up into cubes. Get out of there. Isn't that just a satisfying sound? I think it's satisfying. Satisfies me. We're going to cut it into cubes. I love that sound, because that means some delicious soap's about to happen. And then we're going to do the same thing. We're trying to get it as close as we can to even. Nobody's perfect, right? Nobody. All right, so we got all this delicious soap squared into cubes. And now we're going to melt it, and I'll be right back. All right, so we melted that down, and then we are mixing in our 100% cacao and our French green clay. And we are going to keep mixing that in until it is perfectly mixed and lump free. We don't want any lumps in this soap, so we got to make sure it all disperses. So yeah, this may take us a minute, guys, and I'll probably get soap all over me, but that's kind of fun. I probably should have, done this in some alcohol beforehand, but I didn't, so it's still warm enough that I think it's going to melt it, but I'm going to make sure I get all those little clumps out, because I don't want little spots in there. Although it'd be kind of cute if I had spots. I just don't like having my soap with little spots in it when they ain't supposed to be there. So I'm just, oh my Lord, that cocoa smells good. Makes me want to go make me a glass of hot chocolate, but that is 100% cacao. I would not, if I was using anything but 100% cacao. As I splash hot soap everywhere, because that is what I'm good at. Let's get these off there. Let's get these down in here in this melt pool. Ooh, I like that. Yeah, we may have a few little spots in there, but I'm not too concerned about it. Are you? You shouldn't be. It's a green clay, French green clay, and 100% unsweetened cacao. So just remember that if y'all are making that. So it's you're doing a teaspoon of the 100% cocoa, 100% of the cacao, and then you're going to do a half a teaspoon of the green clay. That's as much as you want to put in there for this. And let me spray this with some stuff. Y'all know what I mean, the 91% that I can't say on here. Make sure those bubbles aren't bubbling up on me. So it looks like we are going to have some little pieces of that. Well, that's fine. I'm not even too upset about it. Next time I will disperse that in that spray stuff that I ain't allowed to say the name of on here, because TikTok gets a little offended. So yeah, that looks really good. Let me check this temperature. Let's see what we're at. 152, still too hot. I actually, you know what? The more I look at it, the more I like those little specks. I think that may do something pretty in here. We're going to look. But while we're waiting, let's go ahead and get our flavors. We're going to do flavors. Like we're going to eat some soap. We're going to get our essential oils in here. I'm going to use coffee by Candle Science, and I'm also going to use the chocolate element by Candle Science. Both of these are really good and skin safe. Of course, we're not going to mix them at high temperatures, and I'll share that recipe with you in just a second. All right, this is getting a skin on it. Let's check this temperature. That even looks like chocolate. Wow. Oh, it smells like coffee and chocolate. Oh my. What you think about that, Mama? I want to eat it, but you better not. It's soap. Let's see what this temperature is down to. 144. We still need it to be just a little more melted. I'd like to get it down to about 135. But I got these new molds. I'm so excited to try them out. Go ahead and spray them down with some alcohol. And I got another one over here if it makes too much. I'm not sure how much this is going to make. We got a pound of our Chocolate Espresso coffee. And oh man, she smells good. I want to eat that. I ain't even put the oil in it. I smell the oil over there. I was like, wow, that smells so good. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Y'all look at that. Ooh, look at that. Wow. I don't know, Mom. We might have to keep this one.
That's good.
It really does. I keep eating soap. Every time I make soap, I get it everywhere. What's the temperature on this now? We're over here checking the temperature if y'all want to know what we're doing. Okay, I think we can pour. It's at 128, and so it doesn't get a skin. You ready for this pour? Let me see if I can move this back in the view well. Right there. All right, let me get it all stirred up. We're going to go slow and easy. Slow and easy. And then we'll spray it down with that 91% that I can't say the name of because TikTok gets mad. Oh, that's pretty. Whoop. I think we might get 4 out of this. What you think?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe? Ooh, that look good?
Yep.
Let's go over this other one.
Might get 5.
Might. Just might. Let's get us another one sprayed down on the side. I'm going to let you take those, ma'am. I'm going to get me one more poured out over here on the side. Because, yeah, I think we got one more. Look at that.
There you go.
Ooh, that's nice. Any more? Go in there. Go in there. Ooh, she nice. I wish y'all could smell it, guys. There is nothing like the smell. We're spraying it. Get all these air bubbles off. It's amazing how that works. And we'll see you back after we unmold it. I just realized I wasn't recording as I popped them out of the mold, but look at them. These are the Coffee Espresso goat milk soap bars that I made. And oh my God, they're so beautiful. Even with the cocoa has some places where it didn't disperse well, but it looks so beautiful. So it was a happy accident. Look at these bars, guys. Look at this. And the smell is just divine. It is coffee and chocolate. And I'm just in love with them. These are going to be released for the Valentine package that I'm working on. And I'm so in love. I did figure out that 1 pound of goat milk soap makes 5 bars. 5 full-size bars of the chocolate espresso coffee. Oh my gosh, I wish you could smell that. But look at those details. And yeah, we'll be doing a few other bars to go along for Valentine's release. But I am so happy with that. Just look at that detail. It's so beautiful. I'm sorry. I can't stop smelling it. It smells so good. I will leave you guys, actually leave a recipe for this because I am not gatekeeping my secret recipes on these. I want you to be able to make molten pour soap with me. And I'm hoping that you guys will give it a try because look how beautiful. Just look at it. I did that. See you soon.